Hi, this is Andy Turner, the Education Technologist at Illinois College. Today I wanted to show how to use HTML5, nodejs, and something called socket.io in order to communicate between a web page and another computer, and also out to a physical device such as a projector or a audio-video switcher, a display, an amplifier for sound, or really any internet connected device, or any non-internet connected device such as a temperature monitor or even a camera. So here we have a series of knobs and buttons, and this is with HTML5's canvas. And so canvas provides vector graphics, and as you can see here, I'm moving these sliders up and down, and on the right I'm getting that data. Now this is on a web page, and I also have this web page running in Windows here, as you can see. Now Windows, when I move this slider, has a connection to this browser. So when I move this knob, that actually moves that as well. And there are some pretty cool associations that you can make, such as I have, say, maybe an object that I want to display on the screen, which is this big orange. So maybe this is a video, or maybe this is a computer that you've connected through this system, and then these are displays, 1, 2, 3. So I can approach the 3 displays with this object, and then connect the video to the 3 displays, or the computer's video output rather, to the 3 displays, to just 2 of the displays, like so. And as you can see, the proximity allows you to select these nodes based on where you're at in the sort of node tree, if you will. So that's one interesting application, I think. And then so for some of these other ones, such as a knob, you can record this data, or you could just simply fire off events like a button press, like so. And as you can see here in the JSON object that results, you can press a button and get the on with the mouse down and the off with the mouse up. Now here in the background I have a network programming application called Max MSP, and that will handle audio, video, 3D data, 2D data. Basically their tagline is it connects anything to anything. So I'm using a UDP receive object on a port 4040, and that's running on this Node.js server here. And this is using the Nexus project that came out of the NIME festival, and they have a new and innovative set of code every year. This year they've decided that, and I agree, all the interesting technology came from web development in multimedia programming applications, and I wholeheartedly agree. So using something like this allows me to control one browser from the other. So that is quite useful. And if I control a system through one browser, this could be an iPhone application, and as you can see here I get the resulting data. So this could even be turning the lights on in the classroom with a button press from your iPhone. And this is of course fully scalable. You can see that the elements grow and shrink according to the dimensions of whether it's an iPad, an iPhone, or whatever the case may be. So hopefully you found this interesting. This is Max MSP version 6. You can get a 30-day demo. And as you can see here, it's just a few simple objects that I have connected. HTML5's been implemented here with the Nexus UI from NIME. And if you do a Google search, you can find things about that. And this is one blog post about it. I look at createdigitalmusic.com, which is a multimedia, very interesting multimedia blog that's kept me fed with new and interesting multimedia news for 10 years now about. So I highly recommend that site. They also have a visual blog, and also a bulletin board, Create Digital Noise. The video one is Create Digital Motion. So yeah, this is HTML5 hooked up to nodejs, and then that's using the socket IO. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.